wheels and tires. All right, guys, here we go. We have our wheels and tires that we're going to go through now. So, very important thing to always have in your mind is your wheel studs. They're 19 mil for a start, but you always keep them tightened, and I would be checking them daily. All right, we have a sticker up here that says periodically check. It's so important that they don't come loose, as we know why, but it's important to check them. All right, it's not like a car where you may not check them forever. On a caravan, always check them. Our tire pressures, 50 to 55 psi. That's the recommendation. All right, so always keep them around that psi. If we go off-road, we are going to drop that down. So dirt road, you want to go half of that. So we're talking 25. All right, so that is, why would we do that? It is for how nice it rides on the road. All right, if we have this 50 psi, that suspension's working overtime. All right, everything goes stressful. So what you want down to 25, and that's how we run on dirt roads. As well as if you hit rocks and that, the tire can mold over it instead of hitting it like a rock. All right, so little things like that. On our swing arm, so this is an independent van. There's no difference from rocker roller to independent in the fact of maintenance and things like that. They all need services. It's like anything. If you leave something for 12 months, you should have it serviced, because how are bearings just sitting there? So there's all these little things to always think of. But the one important thing is there is grease points on your suspension. Your service guys should do that. If things are squeaking, you do need to chuck some grease into it. So just a little bit of maintenance is good to know as well. And then these got drum brakes. Different brakes are going to make a difference, but it's not going to matter to you guys on how you use the van. Electric brakes, they all have. You do need an electric brake controller in your car.